Hi friends, this is Chetan. Today I am going to tell you about what are the softwares used in civil engineering. After completing civil engineering, you must have the knowledge of software to explore yourself in the field. There are not only this much software, but more softwares are available to explore yourself. But what I wrote here on screen, that much software is more than enough to get some knowledge and explore yourself in field. So let's talk about this AutoCAD. The AutoCAD is nothing but the basic software for civil engineers. It is used for planning and detailing purpose. The AutoCAD is not only used by civil engineers, but it is also used by mechanical and electrical engineers. Autodesk is a company which provides this AutoCAD software. Also, you can get the free version of it for 1 year to use as a student. You also know the applications of it in civil engineering is that you can also draw the plan elevation section, drawing details, location plan, site plan, block plan, all the plans and various details you can draw. You can submit submission drawing in Nagar Panchayat or municipal council that can be drawn in AutoCAD itself. The mechanical engineers are used to draw gear, pinion, shaft, and electrical engineers can be use it for that electrical drawing, which is circuit diagram. Now next software is Revit. Revit is nothing but the 3D modeling software. In this software we can create a 3D model, and these are the three types of software: Revit Architecture, Revit MEP, and Revit Structure. Revit Architecture is used by architects and Revit and civil engineers. We can create here 3D model, and we can going to create very good type of elevation in this software, and whatever we create here, it is up to the dimensions. Revit MEP is used by the mechanical and electrical engineers. They are going to use here for HVAC design, plumbing, ducting design, and electrical fittings. Now the Revit Structure is used by the structural engineer to show the reinforcement details in 3D model, how the reinforcement can be created in sections that can be you can see in a 3D model also. SketchUp and 3ds Max, it is a software which is used for 3D modeling itself, but it is a software which is used by interior designer, and in this software we are going to create more details and more graphics design. Means this software is also used by graphic design and gaming purpose also. The 3ds Max is a very essential software for the interior designers. You also get a student version for free from Autodesk. SketchUp is nothing but the basic software for civil engineers and architects, and 3ds Max is nothing but the advanced level of type of software for interior designers and architects. StatPro and ETABS is the analysis and design purpose. So both are this structure software, but StatPro and ETABS having some pros and some cons. The StatPro is used for analysis of building design, water tank, storage tank, bridge deck, and foundation. But in ETABS you can get the output in pictorial format, that all the reinforcement details and section you can get here. But in StatPro you have to do it manually. Means you can get the reinforcement details, but you can't get it in picture format, so you have to make it in AutoCAD to show details. Now next software is PPM, MSP, and Primavera. PPM is not a software, it is a theory part. To get knowledge about MSP and Primavera, you should know the theory. The MSP is nothing but the Microsoft project, and Primavera is a software which is used for the project management, resource management, collaboration, and control the capacities. In this software you can manage all the project and resources in this software. Most of the project manager are going to use this software. Civil 3D is nothing but the infrastructure and design documentation software. In this software you can get the all the type of contours, data, design, and graphs. You can calculate also cutting and filling quantity using this software. The grading optimization can be done in this software. The topographic surface can be created in this software. You can see this. The parking design can be done in the software. Means while designing this parking you can get some slope using this contour. so that water can be run away from here. Okay, now Lumion and V-Ray. This is a software which is used for rendering purpose. The Lumion having excellent landscaping rendering, and V-Ray is mostly used by the interior designers for rendering. These are the V-Ray and Lumion. Now we will summarize all the software. The AutoCAD is used for planning purpose. Revit, SketchUp and CDS Max is used for 3D modeling and interior design purpose. StatPro and ETABS is used for analysis and design purpose. MSP, PPM, Primavera, it is used for project management. Civil 3D is used for infrastructure design and documentation, and Lumion is used for rendering purpose. These are the software. If you like it, please share and subscribe, and thank you.